Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In case you're new here, my name is Lydia and today we have this commuter bus and I want us to tour this 14-seater bus. It's a 9L 9L's 3000cc diesel auto. I want us to have a look at it. It came with 14 seats, but initially should be 18-seater, but this was imported the way it is and came with 14 seats plus one for the driver, so that makes it 15 seats. So this car came the way it is. It was a direct import for a client, and this is what he chose. So this hakuna kitu ataenda kuongeza. It's only the speed governor that will be installed in a car track, and the car will be ready for the enough inspection, and now the car will be ready for transport, for business. So I think this was a brilliant idea, shipping it the way it is, and it's very, very superior. And the seats are leather seats, and it came with the music system, the music sound, the lights, the seats, the what else, yani vile tu mnaiona hivyo. So let's have a look at the inside of this car. And the good thing about this car, by the way, the unique thing about this car is that you can fold the behind seats so that you can create more room for more of like a boot space, but that is when you're not using the behind seats. That's a beauty about this car. And also something else that I learned about this car is that you can adjust the seats. You can adjust the seats to the level that you want. You can move them in front or behind, of which is not common in vehicles that seats have been installed locally. This one came the way it is, and yeah, the client is a happy client. So let's have a tour of this car inside so that you can get to see what I'm talking about. You see, even the floor is kind of carpeted. So yeah, let's have a tour of the car.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let